afternoon. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. We just got back from Casper and I want to share our grocery haul. I'm just so excited and everybody really enjoys our mukbang, so we will be doing more and more mukbangs in our video. So we'll have cooking and eating show in our channel. So here are the stuff that I got from the Sam's Club. Okay, first, I'm very excited. You see how huge that crab legs is? My goodness, this reminds me of that show, Deadliest Catch. I don't know if you guys watched that, but this reminds me of that show. And who knows, this one may came from that show. Come from that show. Okay, and this one, the Alaskan crab legs, is $24.99 a pound. And this is very big. So this one is more than a pound. It is $41.22. And I got two of this. And this one here is 1.47 pounds. So this is $36.72. And I also bought wild caught, the tiger, they call this the tiger lobster tail. See, because it's like, if you could see, I don't know if you could see it, it's got tiger dots in the shell. And this one was $25.98 per pound, and this is over a pound, so this is $30.92. And I also have 2-pack of this. The other one is $30.92. Oh, so exactly the same weight, this 2-pack. I didn't even try to do that. And of course we have our 3-pound shrimp. I bought 2-pack of 3 pounds of shrimp, and this is $20. And I was so excited because I see the imitation crab, and I use this in a lot of stuff. You could use this in your crab ragoon mainly. I use this for crab ragoon, and then you could use it for your stir fry. You could use it for sushi. So there's a lot of things, and I got excited because I always buy this, and it was usually it was $10, and then they had it on sale for $5.98. And then there's a few left there. I almost take it all, and they had it like clearance now for $3.98. And there is 2 pounds in this bag, so that's really good. It's like $1 something per pound, so I can't pass it up. So I bought like 7 packs of this. So because it stays good for a long time if you just put it in the freezer and you just thaw it when you need it. And I'll show you, here's how I buy my butter. Our butter is in 4 packs of 1 pound butter. And there's 4 sticks of butter in each box. So you see how much I use butter. But you know, it's cheaper to buy because we buy it by bulk at this Sam's Club. And if you buy this individual pack, they're like $3 a pack. And there's 4, so it'd be $12. But I only pay $8 for this 4-pack. So we have the unsalted butter and the salted butter both. So some recipe ask for salted butter and some ask for unsalted. And I got also a bargain. These oranges is like $1 a piece in our grocery store. And this is 3, 6, 9, 12. There's 12 of them in the bag, and it's only $8. So I got a deal in there too. And I also I've been making that seafood boil, and I really need some spices for my seafood boil. So I bought this crushed pepper. I don't know if the camera could show this, but our editor might take a shot at all of this. So, and then of course my husband, his coffee. We buy the coffee by this big can. So this is my grocery haul for today, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment below, push the like button, and also make if you haven't subscribed to my channel, push the subscribe button and the notification bell, so make sure every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Bye! See you in my next video!